Go! Oh my gosh!
Wala lang. So, ito na po, mag-start na po ang games natin. So, alam ko naman busog kayo.
Hey, wait, don't! I'm checking a video. Why? You can do it. I think he's stuck. He's stuck.
Okay, score po. Tanapusin lang po para malaman kung kabisado ni Mary.
Call Ate Mama to give us a message. Okay, applause. Napakagod pa.
At isang taon na naman po ulit tayo magsisindi para po sa ating parokya. So, abangan po natin yung mga activities natin sa
Bukod po dyan, baguhin na po natin yung
capitalization ng mga
ayun.
Di sana nakita. Okay. Out.
Yeah, see?
In.
It's coming out now.
Out. Left.
Ego, what is that sound? It's an out? 3, 2, 1, jump! Mas madali dito. Uy! Bye-bye! Hindi, inilayo na namin sa mukha. 385?
We really enjoy the party. We really enjoy the, yeah, and it's very cold. Yeah.